Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the radio's AirDrop depends on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Open Control Center, turn both on, then tap AirDrop and pick Contacts Only or Everyone depending on privacy. Choose Everyone only if the other device isn't in your contacts. Choose Contacts Only to avoid random requests. Make sure the recipient's screen is awake and unlocked so discovery works. Once done, your iPhone is advertising its presence and ready to receive or send a photo securely. You now pick the photo to send. Open Photos, tap the image or select multiple, then tap the share icon at the bottom. Your iPhone uses Bluetooth to locate nearby AirDrop targets and shows them in the share sheet, so wait a second for names or device icons to appear. Tap the intended recipient's name. Your phone creates an encrypted transfer and starts sending over a peer-to-peer Wi-Fi link for speed. Keep the phones near each other until the transfer. On the receiving end, the other person will see an Accept button. They should tap it, and the photo will save to Photos or Files depending on the app. If the transfer stalls or the device never appears, toggle AirDrop off and on, toggle Bluetooth, or briefly restart both devices to clear discovery issues. Make sure Personal Hotspot is off. Devices are within roughly 30 feet, and that privacy settings allow visibility. Those fixes resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.